Supercool R-134a Refrigerant Plus. Features and benefits include colder air faster, stops small leaks, synthetic oil charge, improves performance, extends system life, and is easy to use. Step 1. Find system low pressure port. Step 2. Connect hose with gauge and measure system pressure. Step 3. Charge AC system if required. Start engine and turn on the air conditioner. Set the air conditioner to maximum cool. Make sure recirculation mode is selected. Locate the low side service port. Typically, the low side service port cap is blue and the high side service port is red. Shake can well prior to connecting the low side service port. Remove the low side service port cap. Connect the charging hose coupler. Make sure you have a secure connection. The coupler is designed to lock into place. Once the charging hose with gauge is connected, run the AC for at least 3 minutes while measuring the AC system pressure. See ambient temperature pressure gauge chart on can and note proper fill rate. Important note, if the gauge pressure reads in the red, this indicates a more serious problem. Disconnect and take your vehicle to a qualified AC technician. Turn the resealable depression valve in a clockwise direction, which will depress the can valve, releasing product from can. Note, while charging, hold can upright and rotate can between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock every few seconds. Once system is properly charged, turn valve handle back in the counterclockwise direction to close the resealable valve. Remove charging hose from system and replace the low side service port cap. Unused product can be saved for future system recharging.